In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option explaining the virus. For this, let me avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. Why we are avoiding option B? Because the virus is having the potential to infect both prokaryote and eukaryote. It is not having consistent prokaryotic nucleus structure. So we are avoiding option B. Why we are avoiding option C? Why? Because the single chromosome concept I can use for bacteria and yeast, but I can't use for virus. That is the reason why we are avoiding option C. Why we are avoiding option D? Because the virus is not having DNA and RNA as a genetic material in one specific virus. Some viruses are having RNA as a genetic material, some viruses are having DNA as a genetic material. So we are avoiding option D and we are choosing option E as a correct answer. Why? Because the virus is having DNA enclosed in a protein code that we are illustrating with this particular two virus. Bacteriophage is a virus that infects the bacteria. Influenza virus infects the animal and human being. In this both this virus structure, we are observing DNA in the head position. This DNA is responsible for carrying the genetic information from one particular virus generation to another virus generation. So we are choosing option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this picture that we are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference? Tobacco mosaic virus or TMV as a rod-like form. Helically coiled single-strand RNA is contained in the rod core. Infectious portion is surrounded by a capsid, a protective layer of a protein. Capsid have antigenic property and are made up of tiny subunit called capsomere. With this specification, we choose an option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.